first one is going to be the kick to the body. Now, what a lot of people do when they K-block, kick to my body, is they just go here. But notice how like I'm facing them. So even if I try to throw my cross, I'm kind of at a weird angle. I'm not getting a lot of power and I end up overextending. What we're going to do instead is when we K-block, I'm going to sit and turn into it. My shoulder, left shoulder high. I'm going to go cross here. Notice how now I can load up and turn into it. Do a wide hook. Boom. That's going to be combo number one for if someone kicks you to the body. Boom, boom, boom. And it's really boom, boom, rotate into it. But this is how I want y'all to start dealing with like the kick to the body. Every single time the kick to the body comes to you on the left side and you're unorthodox, I want you to deal with it that way. Pop, pop, pop. You good? But it's so immediate. It's like it has a lot of power behind it. So the next one, the blade is going to be on the left hand here. And notice how I'm not here. I'm not together with my arm. I want to spread the places that take the impact out. So it's not here because I don't want to run into my hands. I don't want to run into my hand. I want to be here, free and clear zone to throw those punches. Pop. So I go here. It's going to go hook, pop, then cross. Boom. So again, I'm doing really good rotation, keeping everything inside of my box. Even the hook that's super wide, I see how I rotate inside my box. My box starting from my leg and my knee. Boom. So I'm not doing this. So notice how I keep it tight. You good, Diego? So I'm not super wide here because that opens up too much of a pathway. When I go here, boom, keep it tight until the last moment. And then from here, notice how I'm not opening up here. I'm here. But and yes, my head does shift off, but I kind of carry it at the last moment. I separate my body. Boom, bop, bop. On three. 1, 2.